So guys, let's make ham and cheese sandwich. So for this recipe, we'll be needing 4 bread, and we also be needing 2 slices of ham. That's 2 slices of hams. So we are going to also be needing 4 cheese. Yeah, this is cheddar cheese, the same one you use for your burger. We start by adding the cheese to the bread, and then the ham, and then another cheese. And so we cover. Sandwich 1 is ready, so we do the same thing to sandwich 2. So we are going to transfer this inside the air fryer. We are going to brush with some olive oil. So we are going to bake this for 6 minutes in our air fryer. Okay, 180 at 6 minutes.
My God.
So guys, our sandwich is ready. Look at how crispy that is. Okay, look at that, guys. So yum yum. Yummy.